In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Wayfair. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to wayfair.com. Once the homepage loads, you can either browse through the categories or use the search bar to look for exactly what you need. If there are a lot of results, use the filters to narrow things down by price, color, material, size, or delivery time. When something catches your eye, tap or click the product image to open its detail page. On the product page, take a moment to check the price, size, color options, and the estimated delivery date. Make sure the measurements will fit your space and confirm the finish or fabric matches what you want. The delivery estimate is helpful for planning, but remember, it can update later once you add your address. If there are multiple versions of the item, look closely at the variations so you get exactly the one you intend to order. Next, select the available options. Pick the color and size you prefer, and choose the quantity if you need more than one. Many items won't let you continue until these choices are set, so double-check them here. When you're ready, click the Add to Cart button. A quick confirmation usually appears. To view what you've added, tap the cart icon in the top right corner of the page. In the cart, verify the product name, selected color and size, quantity, price, and the current delivery estimate. If everything looks right, proceed by clicking Checkout. Now you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. Signing in helps save your details and makes tracking your order easier. After that, enter your delivery information, your full name, your complete address including any apartment or unit number, and your phone number so the carrier can reach you if needed. Take a moment to confirm there are no typos in the address to prevent delays. Choose your payment method next. You can pay with a credit or debit card, and if you see the option for PayPal on your screen, you can select that instead. For cards, enter the required details and be sure the billing address is correct. Before submitting, review and confirm everything on the summary page. Check the item, selected options, quantity, shipping address, payment method, taxes, shipping costs, and the final total, along with the delivery estimate. When you're confident it's all correct, click Place Order. That's it, your order is submitted. You'll see a confirmation on screen and receive an email with the details. Enjoy your new purchase!